Bitcoin is finally here trying to stay above $20,000, but will we actually stay there, or is Bitcoin doomed to see another reversal and a rejection back to the downside? That is something that we should talk about, and also some levels that we have to watch here across different charts. So definitely stick around here. We have a lot of interesting things here going on, and if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's directly dive into the Bitcoin chart here. So here on the 4-hourly chart, we can see that Bitcoin is now trading above the neckline of a potential W pattern. So if I would draw here a line, so then you see we have here a lower low and here a higher low, so which this qualifies for a so-called W-shaped pattern. So I'll make it a little bit clearer. So, and if we measure the target for this, so we are already above the neckline, so which is a good sign. So a technical target would be at $21,340. So it would be actually not too late to jump into this trade right now, because there's still a lot of room to the upside. Just let me make this shorter here. So we can still grab here a potential 6.1%, let's say it's 6.1%. So with 20x leverage, that's 120%. With 15x leverage, that's 90% that we can still gain here on this particular move. But the question is, will we reach the target, or whether will we see a reversal back under the neckline and start to trade here under $19,000 here once again. So when we are looking at the EMA ribbon, for example, so then we see that we have just flipped into an uptrend, which should solidify this Bitcoin move here to the upside. So also on the stochastic RSI, there is maybe the only downside that I see right now, because we are here in already overextended in overbought conditions. So, and we could potentially see here reversal in the next coming days. So, but that doesn't mean if we reverse here on the stochastic RSI, the price action has to follow suit. Could be that we just bouncing around between these two resistance levels that we are seeing right now. Sorry, support and resistance. This here is now support again. So from 19,800 and 20,300, could be that we bounce around in that range for multiple hours or even days before the stochastic RSI has cooled down here again. And then when we get another buy signal, then we actually see also break here into higher levels for the Bitcoin price, at least what we see on the 4-hourly chart. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade this specific trade, for example, and you still want to get in where the price is right now, and to trade this all the way up here to $21,300 on BYBIT, you still get a free Ethereum position, $1,000 for free. There are only 12.8% left of that pool that BYBIT has available. Go to the pin comment below or to the description of the video. There is the link, and also $4,380 RM bonuses still available for you if you sign up with the link in the comment below. So let's go to the daily chart. So here on the daily chart, we can basically take the cup and handle pattern away. This is invalidated for now. So, but something really, really interesting just happened here. So, and that is the most bullish thing for Bitcoin that I have seen in months. So, and that is this downwards trending resistance line, because Bitcoin is finally breaking above that line, as you can see. So we are finally breaking above this. So, and if we close today's candle the way it is, then we most likely will see Bitcoin pump further here to the upside, and we will have our October as we had historically in the last couple of years. So, but only then. So if we see a rejection from this yellow downward sloping resistance line and also a rejection, the price action falls here under the white line, again this downwards trending resistance line, then we will definitely head lower again. But if we can close today's candle as it is right now, things start to look cautiously bullish for the immediate short term. Also here on the weekly chart, we start to print here a really nice candle on the weekly chart. So as we have here also a breakout out of the bigger falling wedge that we were forming here. So, and this looks like a morning star pattern that we start to form here, because we have here this downwards move coming in. So, and then we have here the doji candle and then a green candle moving here to the upside again, and that completes a morning star pattern, candlestick pattern. So if we can close the weekly candle as it is right now, then this pattern would be completed, and would also mean that we see here finally a reversal back to the upside, especially with that bullish divergence that is still here on the weekly chart with the RSI and the price action trading to the downside. So the next trade that we can take here is of course the one that I just shown you here. So where the price is right now all the way up to $21,300. That is the trade that I'm personally looking at. And when we are looking here on the daily chart, and also here I want to have a quick look at the EMA ribbons, the price action is definitely, yeah, so here already within the middle band. So that is also something what we want to see and where we want to close in the next coming hours with the daily close. And once we are closing here above the middle band around here, most likely the next candle will break out to the upside above the EMA ribbon, and it will start twisting and flipping again, which means we go back into an uptrend. But this can still take at least a week before we see this, but that doesn't mean that the price action cannot already move here into higher levels while we are waiting for the EMA ribbon to flip. So let's also have a quick look. Yeah, so the 200 is still at 27,785, and here the 50 is giving us resistance right now at $20,243. So we have to close a daily candle above the 50 in eager to attack the 200. And yeah, once we are above the 200, that is what I consider the end of the bear market, guys. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. Please make sure that you go to the description and the pinned comment below. There is still a link to my paid signals if you want to make money on a daily basis. We're crushing it every single day. Or the free signals channel, the link is also in the description below, where I share from time to time my personal trades absolutely for free, and where you can chat with the rest of my community. Guys, that's it for today's episode. Again, please don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.